This is a show and already.
That's why I like them. Fuck the brother. All that stuff.
I said, just stay there now. You know, I have to make it in time, you know. I get it, you know.
Oh, you have a cross line?
Yeah. Even a cross line, I did see it.
You think I want to like get it a move, I think? You think I want to like get it a move?
Yeah, we can't actually swear. That is love it out there. You don't see it.
Good game.
I feel like I'm behind all this.
You know, red light.
See my skin, put me out boy, but I thought now. Five cars that.
Red back, I leak out. Eh?
I know grass was.
First thing I keep now, I keep open. Go up on the belly, go up there. You know, that's the shot also.